Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode, I think this is 9 of the series. Oh my goodness. So I found myself a photographer, or a videographer, I should say. Shout out to Ted, who shot this for me on a very, very rainy Thursday. He decided that the ambiance was amazing and the light would be great. So we went out and we explored the little baby trail, goldenrod near my house, that leads now to Bobolink. And we did a bunch of running on Bobolink, and he had such great ideas. And I just think it's so fun. I mean, it's a little silly, and I feel a little bit awkward and weird, especially when other runners ran by. But the biggest news, I think, is that my knee felt great on this run. 3 out of 10 still wasn't painless, but 3 out of 10. This was fun. It was really starting to rain by this point, and we were only about halfway. Yeah, so the knee's been amazing. I've been doing PT with John every week and doing my homework, which I'll show you at the end of this. It's scintillating. But I've been doing it all. Everything's feeling better. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I cross-train. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I run. And it has been just so good. I'm so encouraged. I was really worried, like, am I going to have to not even do this thing? But no, I think with John's help and doing my exercises and doing all the massage therapy business and rolling, I think I'm going to be able to do it, guys. I think it's going to happen. We had amazing wildlife on the weekend run, which I'll show you in a minute. Oh, right, my hill strides. I always end every run when I'm feeling healthy with hill strides, usually 4 by 30 seconds. So this is just that little baby hill along South Boulder Road, but it's super convenient just to tag on at the end. And I know it looks like I'm jogging, but man, I feel like I am running 4-minute pace, man. I am just cruising so hard up the hill. Oh my goodness. Definitely feels faster than that looks, but it takes me about 30 seconds to get to the top and then just jog back down. Here we have the therapy stuff I told you I'd talk about. Fun times. So we've got our core things and our single leg split squats. Those are so hard for me. And then these are horrible. These are called quad wipers, and it gets that spot in your upper quad that connects to your hip flexor. Oh, I don't like it at all. And pigeon, which I couldn't do at all about a month ago. Definitely couldn't do it after my knee surgery, but I'm back to sort of kind of doing a half pigeon. Little tiny bit of plantar creeping in, so keeping that at bay. And then there was this beautiful Saturday run, my long run. Oh my goodness, it was so beautiful out. It was one of those perfect days. So many birds. The creek was flowing. There were actually not that many people out. It was noon, so it was pretty hot. Kind of missed the early morning hours, but there was wildlife everywhere. There were little bunnies. We had the cows. This I just walked through because they're mom cows and then juvenile cows. You can't really call them babies anymore. Like, look at that guy. He was not sure about me, so I always walk when I have to go between babies or juveniles and their moms just to be safe. Sam and I were chased once by a juvenile cow. I think that's why that scares me, but mamas were just hanging out under the tree. They were super hot. Like I said, it was a really hot day. Oh, and then the funny little, look at this tiny baby prairie dog. Look how little he is. He's like a little peanut. And this guy's calling out the alarm. He's like, Maud, come over here. And then Maud's like, coming. And then the baby's like, wait, Mom, wait for me. Oh, so cute. We are so close. I mean, my goodness, I basically have $200 left to raise. That's it, $200. Oh, I got something really special in the mail.
Hello 2025 Team Pause Chicago member. Enclosed you will find your 2025 official Team Pause Chicago singlet. We hope you wear this with pride during training and various races this season to let everyone know that you are running to save homeless pets. It's in a like zippy bag. It's blue. I love blue. Pause Chicago. We run for their lives. I'm running for. Oh. I could write their names. That makes it official. I have a singlet to train in. All right, knee. Get yourself in order. We have a job to do.
Let's do this.